baby, yo, baby, yo. Yo, baby, yo, baby, yo, baby, yo, baby, yo.
Americano.
Awaken, my child, and embrace the glory that is your birthright. Know that I am the Overmind, the eternal will of the Swarm, and that you have been created to serve me.
Shot to the heart, and you're to blame, darling. You give love a bad name.
All around the planet, I run the gamut on psychology. They can never manage, we do damage with no apology. Pick 'em off the panic, a little manic, cause I gotta be frantic. I'm a gem, cause I'm an oddity.
I'm on a boat, everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Now, this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down. I like to take a minute, just sit right there. I tell you how I became the prince of a town called Air.
What happened in here?
We was robbed! You're absolutely right. In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spend most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, and all shooting some b-ball outside of school when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight. My mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in LA." I whistled for a cat, and when it came near, the license plate said fresh and had a dice in the mirror. If anything could say that this cat was rare, I thought, nah, forget it. You homes to Bel Air. I pulled up to a house about 7 or 8, and I yelled to the cabbie, "You home, smell you later." He looked at my kingdom. I was finally there, to sit on my throne as the prince off bell.